Gold? Everyone knows it. It shines in jewelry, it glitters as money. But did you know? Inside your phone, tiny bits of gold carry electricity like magic. It's rare, precious, and that's why the whole world chases it. Silver. Silver isn't just beautiful. It's powerful. It carries heat and electricity faster than almost anything else. Without silver, solar panels would be useless. No sun power, no clean energy. Imagine that. Neodymium. Sounds strange, right? But this tiny metal creates some of the strongest magnets on Earth. Magnets that power your headphones, your speakers, even the engines of electric cars. Lithium. Lithium is the beating heart of every battery you know. In your phone, your tablet, your electric car. It's light, it's powerful, and it's the reason we can carry so much energy in our pockets. Platinum. Rare, shiny, and incredibly strong. It cleans the air in cars. It launches rockets into space. It's not just a jewel, it's a guardian of our Earth, and a key to the stars. Palladium. Palladium is platinum's secret twin. It hides inside computers, phones, and car engines, and sometimes it's worth even more than gold. Quiet, hidden, but priceless. Rhodium. Rhodium shines brighter than silver and rarer than gold. It cleans toxic gases in cars, saving the air we breathe. One of the rarest metals on Earth, a true hidden treasure. Uranium, the giant of energy. Just a little can power entire cities. But be careful. It's powerful, dangerous, and radioactive. It's the fire of the Earth itself. Cobalt. Cobalt is the secret behind your phone's battery. Without it, your screen would go dark. And beyond that, cobalt creates a deep, stunning blue that colors glass, paints, and art. Energy and beauty in one. Tungsten. Tungsten doesn't break. It doesn't melt. It doesn't give up. It's inside glowing light bulbs, ovens, and rockets soaring through the sky. Wherever heat and strength are needed, tungsten is there. Titanium. Light as a feather, strong as steel. Airplanes, rockets, even sports gear depend on it. Without titanium, humans would never have touched the stars. Rare gems, Tanzanite and Lapis Lazuli. Tanzanite, found only in Tanzania, glowing with a purple-blue light. Lapis Lazuli, treasured since ancient times, deep blue like the night sky. These gems are Earth's pure beauty, locked away for millions of years. The Earth is full of treasures: gold, silver, platinum, cobalt, uranium. They power our world from phones and TVs to airplanes and rockets. Every piece is rare, every piece is precious. But remember, these treasures are limited. We must use them wisely, because Earth itself is the greatest treasure of all.